Today for science, we're going to learn a little bit about bats. To get to your science work today, you'll click on this button right here, the house button, if you're not already there. And then you're going to click on this tile. It says Discovery Education. It's got a little globe on it. Now once I click on it, mine's going to look a little bit different than yours. Yours should pop up and say, there's been an assignment from your teacher, and you'll just click on the blue button that says Open Assignment. If not, you can always click on your name, and your name should take you to the assignment. So, let's see. Okay, so once you guys are here, it will be a background builder, bats. It's going to look a little bit like this, and all you need to do is click the next button, and it will take you through all the things it wants you to do. So there's some videos for you to watch, and then you can click to respond right in your screen. You can answer the questions. Once you get to the end, there will be one last activity for you to do where you're going to write a summary of what you learned. You're going to tell me how you feel about bats. And then if you're interested in learning more, there is some extra stuff at the end that you can click on to learn just a little bit more about bats for today. All right, have fun exploring.